How to get your referral code on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your referral code on Temu app so that others can use it and you'll get a certain bonus. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Temu app and make sure that you are logged account. And once you land on the home page, you're going to have to find the U section on the bottom right corner. Tap on this tab right here. And once you land on here, you're going to have to find Win Rewards. Just tap on it. And you'll get on the option for earn credits and free gifts. Now tap on this redeem credit option and then you'll be taken to another page. And now from here, click on Start. So you're going to have to tap on this option, refer new app users. And then from here, you could just go ahead and copy link. So if you want, you could also copy code. So just tap on this one and tap on copy code. And your code will be shown right here. Now just tap on it. And what you're going to have to do is just share the link with your friends. And here is the guides that Temu has provided us. Refer friends with your link, refer new app users and existing users to the limited quantity to get tickets. Spin the wheel to earn coins, and then you can redeem your credits on Temu. And that's how you get your referral code on Temu app. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.